Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Summer Waves Elite 18-foot by 48-inch frame pool with pump and maintenance kit. Spend the hot summer cooling off by your Summer Waves Elite 18-foot pool. This pool kit has everything you need to set up and maintain your pool, so you spend more time chilling in the water and less time buying accessories and supplies. It comes with a SFX1500 SkimmerPlus filter pump, pool cover, ladder, ground cloth, and deluxe maintenance kit. The swimming pool can set up in as little as 60 minutes, and with its durable steel and PVC design, it handles up to 6,600 gallons of water. Product benefits includes SFX1500 skimmer plus 110 to 120 volt filter pump. Constructed of triple layer polyester mesh and heavy gauge PVC material with a rust-resistant, galvanized steel frame that stands up to heavy use. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.